In the manufacturing industry, a tool holder is a device used to securely hold a cutting tool or drill bit in place during machining operations. Tool holders come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and are designed to fit specific types of cutting tools. They are typically made from high-strength materials such as steel or carbide, and are designed to withstand the high forces and temperatures generated during machining. Tool holders are an essential component of any machining operation, as they ensure that cutting tools are held securely in place and are properly aligned with the workpiece. This helps to ensure that the machining process is accurate and efficient, and helps to prevent damage to both the cutting tool and the workpiece. There are many different types of tool holders available, including collet chucks, end mill holders, and drill chucks. Each type of tool holder is designed to hold a specific type of cutting tool, and is typically designed to fit a specific type of machine tool. At Berkness Company, we specialize in providing high-quality tool holders and other machining accessories to customers in a wide range of industries. Our team of experienced engineers and machinists can help you select the right tool holder for your specific application, and can provide expert advice and support throughout the entire machining process. Whether you are looking for a standard tool holder or a custom-designed solution, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to meet your needs. To learn more about our tool holder products and services, please visit our Contact Us page and fill out the form to get in touch with one of our representatives. We look forward to hearing from you. FAQs. 1. What is a tool holder in manufacturing? A tool holder is a device used to securely hold a cutting tool or drill bit in place during machining operations. It is typically mounted on a machine tool, such as a lathe or milling machine, and is designed to provide precise positioning and stability for the tool. 2. What are the different types of tool holders? There are several types of tool holders used in manufacturing, including collet chucks, end mill holders, drill chucks, and boring bar holders. Each type is designed to hold a specific type of cutting tool and provide the necessary rigidity and accuracy for the machining operation. 3. How do I choose the right tool holder for my application? Choosing the right tool holder depends on several factors, including the type of cutting tool being used, the material being machined, and the specific machining operation being performed. It is important to consider factors such as tool size, runout, and clamping force when selecting a tool holder to ensure optimal performance and accuracy. Consulting with a tooling expert or manufacturer can also be helpful in selecting the right tool holder for your application. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.